Welcome to our channel, where we explore natural remedies and holistic wellness. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into the art of detoxifying your liver using 16 powerful herbs. The liver plays a vital role in detoxifying our bodies, but it also needs regular care and cleansing to function at its best. Let's explore how these herbs can support your liver health and how to use them effectively. The liver is your body's detox powerhouse, breaking down toxins and producing essential enzymes and bile. Over time, it can get overwhelmed by poor diet, stress, and environmental pollutants. That's where these herbs come in. They help cleanse, rejuvenate, and optimize liver function. 1. Calendula. Known as pot marigold, calendula is anti-inflammatory and supports the liver by promoting bile production. To use it, steep dried calendula petals in hot water for 10 minutes and drink as a tea twice a day. 2. Chokecherry. Chokecherry, traditionally used by Native Americans, is rich in antioxidants that protect the liver from oxidative stress. Make a decoction by simmering chokecherry bark in water for 15 minutes. Drink half a cup daily. 3. Dandelion. Dandelion is a superstar for liver health, promoting bile flow and detoxification. Use the roots to make a tea or incorporate fresh dandelion greens into salads or smoothies. 4. Yellow dock. Yellow dock supports digestion and stimulates the liver. Brew a tea by simmering the root in water for 20 minutes. Drink once a day for gentle detoxification. 5. Greater burdock. Burdock root is excellent for purifying the blood and supporting liver function. It can be consumed as a tea or tincture. Steep the dried root in boiling water for 15 minutes or add a few drops of tincture to water. 6. Hops. Hops aren't just for brewing beer. They're also great for liver health. Their bitter properties stimulate bile production. Steep hops in hot water for 10 minutes and sip on this tea before meals. 7. Lemon balm. Lemon balm soothes the liver and reduces inflammation. It's perfect for a relaxing evening tea. Steep fresh or dried leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. 8. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is perhaps the most well-known liver detox herb. Its active compound, silymarin, protects and regenerates liver cells. Use a high-quality supplement or make a tea from ground seeds. 9. Mugwort. Mugwort has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to cleanse the liver. Steep dried mugwort leaves in boiling water for 10 minutes. Drink once daily for a gentle detox. 10. Oregon grape. Oregon grape root contains berberine, which supports liver detoxification and fights infections. Simmer the root in water for 15 minutes to create a healing tea. Number 11. Pipsissewa. Pipsissewa is a lesser-known herb, but highly effective for liver health. It helps clear toxins and improves bile flow. Make a tea by steeping the leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. 12. Self-heal. Self-heal, also called heal-all, is packed with antioxidants that support liver repair. Add the dried herb to teas or soups for a mild detox. 13. St. John's wort. St. John's wort is often associated with mood health, but it also supports liver detox by enhancing bile secretion. Make a tea from the flowers and drink moderately, as it can interact with some medications. 14. Stinging nettle. Nettle is a fantastic blood purifier that supports liver function. Brew nettle leaves as tea or use fresh leaves in soups. Avoid touching fresh nettle without gloves as it can sting. 15. Wild rose. The hips of wild roses are rich in vitamin C, which supports liver detox. Make a tea from dried rose hips by steeping them in boiling water for 15 minutes. 16. Woolly lamb's ear. This gentle herb soothes and supports the liver. Use it in a poultice or steep the leaves for a calming tea. While these herbs are powerful, it's important to use them safely. Consult with a healthcare professional if you're on medications or pregnant. Start with small doses to ensure no adverse reactions. Rotate between these herbs to give your body a balanced detox. Here's a simple 7-day liver detox plan using these herbs. Morning, lemon balm or dandelion tea to kickstart your digestion. Midday, milk thistle or burdock tea to support detox. Evening, calendula or hops tea for relaxation and cleansing. Remember to pair your detox routine with plenty of water, a healthy diet, and regular exercise. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Let us know in the comments which of these herbs you're excited to try. Until next time, take care of your liver and your health.